To create a variable rate seed map, click the field, click prescription maps, add prescription map, leave it on planting, and we're basing this on a productivity map. Again, you can change this to 3, 5, or 7 zones, depending on how variable the productivity is across the field. Enter your crop. Go for a hard winter wheat. Enter your variety. Generally, we'll change this to kilograms a hectare and enter your standard rate. We'll just go for an easy 100 kilos to show the difference in this example. Your 3-zone key is pre-populated again with the percentages for high and low potential. What we're probably going to do is put a little less seed in the high potential zone and a little more seed in the low potential zone to try and bring up the crop in that area. Again, you can edit zones if you don't quite agree with any headlands that you think will never perform as well as the map says they do. And then all you do, again, is export the file